Nigerian musician Speed Darlington has come out to slam Afrobeats queen Tiwa Savage following her latest single. Taking to social media, Speed Darlington addressed a part of her song Loaded, where she said that her sex tape that was released earlier in the year will not spoil her life. While many have dragged her for singing about it, Speed Darlington has dropped his 2 cents on the matter. The singer stated that if Tiwa Savage likes, she should continue to think that the sex tape will not spoil her life. He blasted her, saying that it will spoil her life if she releases more. Hence, the sooner she gets her act together, the better for her. Even though Tiwa Savage announced that she was being blackmailed with her sex tape, it didn't stop many from dragging her and calling her a lot of things. Do you agree with him?